Bro, I just uploaded, but it sucked. I mean, it shows nothing. I quit.
Patreon just announced a lot of new features for creators. And we're gonna test out these features and compare them to NAS.io, a free alternative to Patreon with the same features but more focused on community building. And in the end, we will challenge 2 creators to set up their community on NAS.io and Patreon to know which is the better, faster, and easier platform for the creators. The first one is the landing page. Both NAS.io and Patreon offer a templated landing pages. Information such as community name, description, cover image, and logo can be changed. On a NAS.io landing page, you can also get a sneak peek of what's inside your community. NAS.io takes the approach of showcasing the community, its purpose, and values, rather than solely focusing on the community creator, which is what Patreon is about. In Patreon, you can create multiple tiers of membership. Each tier can have different benefits and prices. On NAS.io, you can add multiple payment plans. This is something that Patreon doesn't support. On both platforms, you can add a trial for your subscription plan, meaning you can give people access to your community for a limited amount of time just to try it out. Now, how can a community platform sustain itself besides subscriptions? Through digital products. On both platforms, you can sell digital products like images, videos, courses, guides, and a lot more in many different formats. So what are their differences? On Patreon, you can only sell digital products. Upload a file, add a name and description, then add product image. On NAS.io, you can do all of that, but with extra features that would benefit your members. One of them is a dedicated course structuring system. Let's say you're building a course. You can create a folder, upload your course videos, ebooks, and even audio files. Then by using sections, you can create modules or units for your courses so your members can easily track their progress. NAS.io supports live events and provides a dedicated landing page just for them. This means you get a separate page with a shareable link you can use to market the event. You can also set your event as free or paid, adding it to the list of monetization options. And the best part, NAS.io handles all the payment processing and the member authentication. In contrast, Patreon doesn't offer any kind of event hosting at the moment. Both platforms share common payment features, accepting debit and credit cards, but there are 2 differences. Patreon supports PayPal, while NAS.io supports local payments in many countries including India and Brazil. On both Patreon and NAS.io, you can collect your members' details like names and email addresses. But on NAS.io, you can actually do more. You can also collect their phone numbers for your WhatsApp community. And you can create a custom application forms to gather more valuable information such as experiences, location, or even their favorite ice cream flavor, which might be useful for an ice cream lovers community. Both platforms have public posts, reactions, and comments. But Patreon doesn't have an email tool. On NAS.io, besides communicating on the platform, you can reach out to your members using Magic Reach. This handy feature allows you to send emails to your members in 3 different ways: in email, app push notifications, and WhatsApp direct messages. NAS.io and Patreon don't have a built-in chat group functionality yet, but NAS.io can integrate with many chat platforms that people use today, and it gives you detailed analytics. For example, when you integrate WhatsApp with your NAS.io community, you gain access to chat analytics, weekly engagement analytics, a daily chat summary, and extra engagement features all within the platform. With NAS.io's chat integration, if a user stops paying and leaves your NAS.io community, they get automatically kicked out of your WhatsApp chat group. However, on Patreon, you can only integrate Discord and you can only message members one at a time. And now the last feature on the list, analytics. Both NAS.io and Patreon supports advanced analytics to track your members' metrics and your revenue, including member growth, activity, revenue, transactions, best-selling products, and more. NAS.io holds an advantage by tracking additional metrics that Patreon does not. First, it can track weekly engagement analytics on your integrated chat platform. Second, it tracks discount usage. Third, it tracks your monthly revenue and provides revenue projections. But there's another feature that sets these platforms apart: artificial intelligence. NAS.io features an AI tool called Ruby AI. Once you've integrated your WhatsApp chat group with NAS.io, it can provide you with a summary of your community's conversations every day. This way, you don't need to keep scrolling back and read all your members' messages. You can send this summary to your members every week to keep them posted on everything happening in your community. So, have you decided which platform to use? If not, it's time to challenge 2 creators to use NAS.io and Patreon to determine which platform is better. These 2 creators will use NAS.io and Patreon for the first time. Both of them will get a set of tasks to complete on these platforms. And whoever finishes first wins. The timer starts in 3, 2, 1.
I'm starting a new account. NAS.io, okay, challenge number 1. Start for free. Done!
Okay, so here is just, I want to create text, video, audio, image, link, poll, live stream. And can I create a course here? Wait, I need to verify
Done.
my email. Is it on the link here? Bro, I just uploaded, but it sucked. I mean, it shows nothing. Just 2 minutes. Oh, finally.
Congrats!
How can I connect my WhatsApp here? I can only connect to Discord. Who uses Discord now?
Bro, because I'm done, I'll be helping you.
Okay,
So you need to connect your Discord.
how?
Let me Google it.
Bro, I'm writing my date of birth now. Yeah, I need to sign up in Discord first, so I can link it with Patreon. Because no one uses Discord. Oh, finally done. Okay, I will upload my picture. One of my pictures. Bro, me and my car.
Me and my welcome. Oh. Okay.
Okay, Google says I should click on new event button on the left hand first. Event left hand navigation.
7:30 p.m.
So this is my left hand, right? But where is the create new event button?
Done!
I haven't started yet. Oh,
Mine is here. Events is here.
2,000 years later.
oh, it's live stream. So I should go to live stream first. And done. Bro, we are enemies. There were buttons that are not clickable. I just had to figure it out by myself, or to be honest, Google.
So it was very intuitive, and I just clicked the content and I added my course. I uploaded the file, put the descriptions in the picture, and that's it.
That's it. I quit.
So, what platform should you go for? NAS.io or Patreon? There's no exact answer. If you're a creator who has a big following, like millions of followers, and you want to build a paid membership community around your fans, Patreon is your best choice. It's tailored for creators and offers features like tier memberships. But if you want to create an online community, whether you have a following or not, NAS.io is the best option. NAS.io supports all type of creators no matter how many followers they have. Whether they are an engineer, a designer, a fitness coach, or even a mom entrepreneur. Anyone who wants to monetize their skills. There's a NAS.io community created by an engineer to teach junior developers how to nail coding interviews, and a sports scientist helping professional athletes develop mental toughness and resilience. If you're a beginner, or if you have no time for messing around with complicated settings, NAS.io just works flawlessly. And if you have any issues, or if you need help with your community, NAS.io has dedicated support team where they will help you with anything you need. Whether it's a marketing strategy for your community or tips on running your first online event, It's the most helpful platform ever because you get access to community experts from the NAS.io team that is ready to help you in every step of the way. I hope this video helped you decide which platform to choose for your online community. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.